Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends, okay? And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise, you'll understand it in a better way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Apart from seeing 18 video, 24 video, 43rd video, it is quite possibility that you may get confused, friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, or else you can do one thing. You can directly DM me, direct message me to an Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906, friends. Okay, so I will spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's ABH MANYU BHA TTACHAR 1906. Okay. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. So in our last video, we have covered the topic called, but there are times when human beings go through unimaginable pain. It might seem harsh to think at that time, this is my karma, I deserve this. So this was our last video. And in today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called, what are the things that creates negative karma. So and friends, this is going to be the 141st number video and the topic is, what are the things that create negative karma. So let's start, friends. Okay, hurting yourself. For example, when you do not look after your health, bad habits like drugs, smoking, drinking, overeating, lack of good nutrition and exercise, most important, negative thinking and action truly destroy your soul. This is a very important statement which Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagri, that the negative karma is basically, even many people have notion if we hurt other people it is negative karma, but first negative karma is when you are hurting yourself. If you are not taking care of your health, if you are consuming drugs, if you're smoking, if you're overeating, if you're drinking, right, like alcohol, something, some beverages, you're not giving good nutrition to your body, you're not doing exercise, that means you're destroying your soul, which is a very big sin according to spirit world, friends, right? hurting other hurting other, harming someone else physically or causing emotional pain builds negative karma. Emotional pain is just as bad as physical pain. So friends, if we are hurting other, if we are harming someone other physically or emotionally, if physically and even emotionally we are trying to harm any other soul, that means we are creating a very wrong karma, because it is said by Vipsi and Ratu, even harming other one emotionally is also as much as harming someone physically. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari. Not dealing well with existing problem by not accepting and facing the truth in the situation. So this is also negative karma, friends, when we are not dealing with our existing problem, or we are not accepting the and facing the truth. For example, if we have any health issues, right, and we are not seeing, we see no, it will go fine, and we are not taking care of our health, so it is a, in a way, negative karma which we are building, friends, and which is very wrong. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari. Tolerating the wrong behavior of negative soul. If we are tolerating the wrong behavior of negative soul, still it is a negative karma which we are building, friends. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari. You must try to explain to them where they are going wrong. If they do not listen, that is their choice, but do not allow to take advantage of you. Do not encourage evil. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, do not tolerate negative behavior. If somebody is doing wrong to you, make them understand where they are doing wrong. Just explain them, but do not tolerate their negative behavior, because in a way you are encouraging evil. So if you are tolerating negative behavior, that means you are encouraging evil, friends. Okay. Do not be nice with an evil person, and we should never be nice with an evil person. We should always be bad with the evil person. If you are nice to an evil person, you are encouraging him, and encourage an evil soul means you are in the same sinful category. So if we are nice with the evil person, that means indirectly we are encouraging evil soul, and that means we are in same in the evil category, and which is a very big negative karma, friends, which Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari. Therefore, develop your subconscious mind faster so that you can easily recognize an evil person. So we should always develop our subconscious mind faster so that we can easily recognize the evil person, friends. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. Avoiding responsibility. For example, when you run away from your duty towards your parents, children, loved ones. So when we run away from the duty towards the parents, children, and loved ones, that means also we are creating a negative karma. So we should always do our duty, friends. Okay, encouraging other to do wrong and leading them on the wrong path. Example, drug peddler. So when we encourage other people in leading them to the wrong path, for example drug peddler, we are doing wrong. If we are purposely encouraging anybody to go on the wrong path, if you are selling them drugs, if you are pushing them towards evil, so that means we are completely doing wrong, which is very wrong, friends. Spoiling your children. You build karma this way because it is your duty to train to them well, right, friends? Parents should always be open to their children have to say, as the subconscious mind of a child can be open and the child will operate from instinct. So we should always guide our children to go in a proper way, and if we are not doing that, we are definitely encouraging evil and we are creating negative karma, friends, because our child's subconscious mind is more open. But be sure that the child is not manipulating you from his or own selfish purpose. So we should also be sure at the same time that the child is not manipulating us from his or her selfish purpose. Failing to recognize and fulfill your spiritual mission on earth. So if we are failing to fulfill our spiritual mission on the earth, that means also we are creating negative karma, which we should not do. We should recognize what is our spiritual mission on the earth and we should complete it, friends. Okay, this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushik Bhavnagari. Committing suicide, you build a great deal of negative karma and you fall one whole realm because you are not allowing your soul to complete its journey. So this is the most negative karma, friend, that is committing suicide. Because if we commit suicide, we directly fall one realm down, which is again very wrong, and which again we are creating a very wrong karma because we are not allowing our soul to complete its spiritual journey. You put an end to your to very life and situation that we had chosen. So we are putting end to the life and situation which we had chosen and which is completely wrong, friends. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Your due date are chosen by you in accordance with God's laws. So our due date is already selected by us according to God's law. It is God who has given you life and it is not up to you to take it. So it is the God who have given us life and it is not up to us to take our life, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushik Bhavnagari. Not taking action. Sometimes people do not take responsibility or they lack courage to do what is right. So sometimes people do not take responsibility and they lack courage to do what is not right. They do wrong. This is also a negative karma which we build, friends. Okay, they are making the wrong choice because they are being spectator instead of using their free will to do what is right. So not taking the correct action, many a times what we do is we do not have the courage to do the work and we, instead of doing the right thing, we do not take the correct action, which is completely wrong. This Epsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Wanting to have fun, young people believe that when they are young, they need to experience life and they use that as an excuse of doing thing that is wrong. So basically, Vipsi and Ratu is telling when people are young, they say we have got one life, we will do whatever we want, and they mislead their life by taking wrong action, which is completely wrong and which should not happen, friends. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. It is important to enjoy your earthly journey, but not at the cost of your soul. So it is very important for us to enjoy the earthly journey, but not cost of our soul. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Always remember that you fall more and build more karma if you make wrong choices. After gaining spiritual knowledge than if you have no knowledge at all. So this is very interesting point, and this is the last statement, is the essence of this full topic. It is that we fall more low if we have knowledge, and if we are doing something wrong, then we are going to fall more lower apart from not having knowledge and doing something wrong. For example, if a person what example can I give? I can give, yes, if a person knows that this medicine is wrong and it is going to harm other person, and a person still gives that medicine, so he is creating more negative sin apart from that person who doesn't know that his medicine is going to harm the other person if he gives. So it is going to create less negative karma. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavanavi. So friends, this topic came to an end. So in our this topic we have covered the concept called what are the things that create negative karma. Okay. So in our next topic we are going to cover the topic called how does a person pay off their karma on earth, right? So friends, this topic came to an end, and as I always say, friend, this book is this long and I cannot cover this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video, so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video, so if you come sequence wise, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing fourth video, 18th video, 26th video and 56th video, it is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do like my video, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification. And friends, you can also connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. And if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, because I do see the comment and I give answer. So friends, this brings to end of today's video. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and let us do good karma in life. And one day we all will be coming in the spirit world, and you will say, I used to see your video, and today we all souls are in the spirit world. Okay. So I want my all viewers in the spirit world. Goodbye, friends. I'll be meeting in the next video. Till then, goodbye, friends. Okay.